Okay, with the bed frame, first thing to consider is the ladder. This red line represents the length of the ladder, 84 inches, and a typical ladder angle. This is the top of the unit. So if this ladder is fixed, when you open the drawer, it's not going to open all the way unless we just make it a shorter drawer, 18 inches or so. So this being the 3D rendering of it, that ladder is going to land someplace in here. I don't think fixing it is a great idea, and it really can't go easily on a roller since it's a carpeted floor. But if we just put a strip of pine and took that ladder and stained it and put a strip of pine right here and stained it, so when the ladder leans on this painted piece, it's not going to mar it up. We would figure out a good approach for the ladder to land on that, I guess, bumper block, essentially. But again, my understanding, this is a square opening wanted instead of that decorative shape. This is the size and scale. This red square represents the big opening. This blue square represents that horizontal cross member. That represents the height of the mattress. So you have about 3 inches of mattress sticking up. Same thing here, 3 inches of mattress sticking up. It's pretty tall from the carpet to the top. That's the height. So it won't fit in the room unless we make it two parts. So there'll be an 1/8 inch seam right here. This red square is the bottom opening, two big drawers, but this is to size and scale with that much mattress sticking up there. Let me know if this design is good and if that approach with the ladder seems acceptable. Because if it's fixed, that's a pain to vacuum around and a couple other reasons. I think it'd be a little easier if it's if we can move it around, or if it's just leaning up against the bed. Let me know if this layout works good, and if so, we'll start cutting some boards. Thanks.